What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Devin Nicole. And if you are looking to style one scarf in 3 different styles, stay tuned. Style 1, tie waist cover-up skirt. All right, so we're gonna get right into it. This is a very simple style. All you need to do is to take your scarf and you're gonna tie it on the side like you would do a bandana. And there you go, you got a cute little cover up for the summer because summer is coming. You wanna keep it real cute, you know. Style 2 is a bandana top. All right, and we're not gonna waste no time, so let's get right into it. This is a very, very simple style as well. All you need to do is to tie your scarf in a bandana. And there you go, you got a cute little bandana top. It's cute for the spring and the summer, so let's get right, baby. Style 3 is a bandeau top. Alright guys, I ain't even gonna lie, this was very hard for me. I'm a little hefty, so I used a strapless bra and wrapped it around my bra. But let me know which style was your favorite. Was it style 1? Nah, man, it gotta be style 2. Or was it style 3? Let me know in the comments which style was your favorite, and be sure to like and subscribe.